everyone, welcome back to my YouTube. So today I will be doing another video, but it will be a little bit of different. This time I will be presenting about my painting. So this painting I made this not that long ago actually, probably last month, and the purpose of this painting was because I actually had it was supposed to be my schoolwork, and they told us to make a painting. I was like, oh, then like why not make something like this? So the first is I'm going to be talking about where I got the idea of trying to make this painting. So as you can see here, it's a cat and a tree. We got some grass, we got some plants. Here I made butterflies and a moon with a tree, but the trees are just like leaves, and I made it black so it goes well with the cat and the other stuffs here. Um, the first why I wanted to paint this, well, basically, I was actually looking around Pinterest, and I decided like I really like cats. It's like my favorite pet, and I wanted to make a painting that had a cat in here, and was like, oh, I think I'm gonna try making a painting that has a cat in it because like it's literally like I said before, it's my favorite animal. And at first, I did actually had another idea, different to this, very different. It was just like a cat in a roof with a big, huge moon here, and I was like, I think this is a little bit too basic. I think I'm gonna go try to find another painting. And when I looked around and tried finding more ideas, this is what I got into. As you can see, the background here is a blue color. I want it to be a blue color because it's like I wanted the cat to be seen like in the sky, and the sky is like dark blue as you see here because I like wanted to match with the vibe, because like I feel like if it was like light blue, it wouldn't really match that well because it's like also in the dark, right? And as it's in the dark, usually the dark is has like dark blue sky. So it's like I went with this dark blue sky. I kind of blended in with different type of blue skies, and this is what I got into. And then after that, oh yeah, but before that, I had to sketch the cat, the tree, the moon, and I had to sketch the plants and the butterflies and everything. And then after that, I went with the background. And then after that, I started painting the black things here. So we have the glass. The grass is just like for extra decoration, just to match the vibe. Because like I feel like it would be very very like nothing in the down. So I added grass, and then we got the cat and trees and everything. Here I went for a dark gray vibes. Um, I was supposed to do like a light gray, but I think it didn't really went as I expected, and instead it went gray. But now as I look at it, it wasn't that bad, and it just kind of doesn't really match. But I mean, like it also goes kind of well. And then next we hear is the plants. I mean, uh, tree leaves. Sorry. So here I went here to tree leaves. I didn't really want to like a draw like a one whole big tree trying to cover the moon because like I feel like it would just take the whole much of the painting, and it wouldn't really like the cat and the plant would be just too small, you know? So like I just went with the leaves because it was also just for like decorations for up here, so it wouldn't be like so plain and nothing in there. So then I had the idea of just trying to make black leaves, black to cover with the vibe because everything is also black here. And tried covering a little bit of the moon right here. As you can see, it's like half right there. But I would say that I kind of did too much on the leaves, but it went well as I guess. And then I wanted the main part of the painting was to focus on the cat and the tree. Technically, because like here, these other stuff here are just for backgrounds. Oh yeah, and these are butterflies I made. Uh, I'm not really sure if you guys can tell if it's butterflies or not, but they're like I tried making them as butterflies. And like I said before, the main part of the painting was to focus on the cat and the tree. And so far for this paint, for my first like ever painting, you could say, by like doing it on a canvas and trying to make my own idea, I would say it's not that bad for me, but I feel like I could do better. But as well as it's my first time, I wouldn't say it's not that bad. And I feel like I would rate this like probably like a 8, you could say. Like I said before, I feel like I can do better, and I feel like I could add more decorations in this painting. But so far it's not that bad, and I really like how it went. It's just not that bad, you see. So yeah, that is all from me, and thank you for listening for my presentation about my painting right over here. Thank you again for listening, and yeah, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.